Hey everyone, welcome to another Everything Google G Suite video with Z, and today we're looking at Google Docs and in particular being able to save images from Google Docs. Now, I've been using Google Docs for a while now and there doesn't seem to be an option for you to be able to save images that are in Google Docs. Now, I've got one open here at the moment, so if I right click on any image, I don't see an option to be able to save the image to a particular file. Click on that one, doesn't seem to be anything that suggests that I can save it. I'm going to go through the various options in the menu at the top as well to see if I can save the actual image in JPEG or PNG, but there isn't. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you a quick way of how you can get those files saved as a JPEG. So if you've got your document here, what you need to do is if you go to File and if you go down to Download As, and what you need to choose is Web Page HTML Zipped. And what this does is it takes the whole document and breaks it down so it separates the document content into files, into a particular file, but it also separates the images. So I'll just show you. So if I click on Download As on Web Page, you can see there it does it as a zip file. So if I just go to the file, so depending on what version of Windows you're using or what device you're using, this actually creates it as a zip file. So I'll just right click on there and extract here. So what you'll see now is an image folder and the actual document content. So if I go to the image folder, it now lists those files that are in that document as pictures, and these are all JPEG images. That's the only way I seem to have been able to find out how we can get images from there. If you know anything different or another way of doing that, leave it in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.